The SoloGood A8 mini gimbal camera delivers crisp 4K footage and detailed 8-megapixel photos that look impressively clean for a compact payload. Its 3-axis stabilized gimbal with precise motor control keeps the horizon level and footage smooth even when mounted on fast-moving drones, vehicles, or robots. The camera's low-light-oriented starlight sensor maintains a bright, usable image in dim conditions, making it practical for dusk flights and night surveillance where many small FPV cameras struggle. First-person view pilots will appreciate how the gimbal can follow aircraft motion to preserve an immersive cockpit-style perspective while still taming most of the vibration and roll. The digital zoom function offers up to 6 times enlargement, which is surprisingly handy for inspecting distant objects without having to push your platform dangerously close. Flexible follow and lock modes, along with built-in subject recognition and tracking, make it easy to keep targets centered with minimal manual gimbal adjustment.